What's up, Turbo Rovers? Before we get started with this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Your subscription means a lot to me and motivates me to make more content for you. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my future updates. Without any further delay, let's get started with the video. What's up, Turbo Rovers? Welcome back to the channel of car enthusiasts. Welcome back to another video. So today in this video, I will be talking about certain accessories that I installed in my Slavia. So very subtle accessories just to give it a much more premium finish. Okay, so I'll just discuss that with you, show you each and everything. And if you own a Slavia and if you're looking for, you know, to make it look a little bit more premium, I mean, they're just very subtle, okay, and but when you look at it, it does look a little, it just makes it feel more upmarket than it already is. It is an upmarket looking car already, but those subtle, additions make it look, you know much more better. All right, so I'll just quickly show you all what all I've installed. Not a lot, but yes, still wanted to share this video. And all of, like, 95% is OEM, okay, installed from the service center itself, Skoda service center. And there's one accessory I ordered from Amazon. It's a badge, okay, so I will show you that one before the video ends. So watch the whole video, all right, till the end, so you don't miss out on anything. All right, that accessory, that badge that I ordered was, just to make the car feel more sportier. All right, so because see, you cannot differentiate between the 1 liter and the 1.5 TSI in the Slavia. Now they are coming with the 1.5 TSI badge, but earlier they weren't, so it is just TSI, okay, but it's not the 1.5 badge. You will see what it is, okay. uh, so stick till the end of the video, but let's get started with the subtleties on the exterior, and then let's get inside and see what is different over there. So as you can see, guys, very basic looking, I mean, it's like stock, okay. There's nothing, it doesn't look like, I've installed anything, but over here you will see there is a door garnish. All right, uh, you can see Skoda written over here. This is installed from the service center itself. You can see one over there, and two on the other side as well. Apart from that, on the exterior there is nothing, okay. But if you take a look at, you know uh, from the side angle, that finish, it just makes it look more upmarket, in my opinion. You can let me know your thoughts in the comments below, but it just makes it look a little bit more upmarket than the car already is. And look at that length, I love the length of this vehicle. I mean, the side profile is just next level. All right, so that's one thing I installed from OEM itself, okay. There's the badge at the back, which I'll show you at the end of the video. It's kind of a surprise, okay. So another thing that I installed is on the inside. Let me just get in and show you. So guys, now we're inside the car. So I know the not a lot of accessories, but I still wanted to share it with you. See, I will be installing more, okay. There is a seat cover and a lot of things. बस थोड़ा ना टाइम का लोचा हो जाता है मेरा, तो वही I have to just take out the time and take my car and, devote that time to install certain accessories. So just showing you all what I've installed for now, and what I will be installing later, okay. So first of all is, let me show you. So the second thing is the anti-water repellent film. I don't know if you can see, but if you can see this border over here, okay, this border here, all right, you can see the border here also. So basically it's very helpful during rainy season, because this area, repels the water, okay, when it's raining, so the view is clear and it's not distorted. Second thing I installed are the metal pedals. Okay, so these two pedals were replaced. This is just a cover. Alright, this was not replaced. But these two were replaced. Okay. So these metal pedals, they make it look more sportier. Okay. So and I really like them. So compared to the regular pedals I had earlier. So this is one change that I'm really happy with, and this really uh, kind of brings it to kind of makes you feel that you're in a sporty vehicle. Okay, because of course this is a 1.5 TSI, right? So kind of feels good also to look at. So this is again OEM only. It's from the service center itself. This costed me around 349 rupees. Okay, sorry, no, it's not 349, 649 rupees. All right. uh, the door garnish costed me, I think, around 600, not 600, 349 rupees. Okay, that was. And your water repellent film was around 199 rupees. Okay. Yeah, so the next thing is this particular USB-C converter to USB-A, USB-A to USB-C. Okay, there were two here. One is in my laptop. All right, so that one also I took from the service center itself. So that's a necessary accessory because my phone only supports USB-A. All right, I mean there are lightning cables that support USB-C, but unnecessarily I don't want to order all that, so I just took the converter, and I got the USB A because most of my family members, like my mom and dad, they use USB A only. They don't have USB C unit except for my mom's phone. Okay, so that's why this converter is very important if you do not use the USB C as of now. So this is one thing I got from the showroom again. It's Skoda written over here. That one is, again, I told you, in my laptop. And yeah, that's about it. And the final badge that I was talking about earlier in the video is at the rear of the car. And you already know TSI is written. Okay, so it is something with TSI. Let me show that to you all as well. So guys, this is the badging that I was talking about, that I have just put on just right now itself. It just got delivered from Amazon. So just wanted to show you guys, and please let me know your opinions below in the comments as to how it is looking, because now it kind of differentiates between the 1 liter and the 1.5. And I really like the GT badge. This is suiting the car so much. This red color, there was a black color also, but uh, you know I felt that it wouldn't suit it, but this one is looking so good. I mean, I like it, but I want to know your thoughts in the comments, so do let me know. It's really looking nice. I mean, I can look at it all day. Alright, it's looking that good. Alright, but do let me know your thoughts in the comments. So guys, these were little subtle accessories that I installed in the car. If we are talking about in terms of costing, you can say everything included costed me around approximately 2000 rupees. Okay, so yeah, these are certain things I wanted to share with you guys. And if you want me to install certain accessories, if you have any suggestions like as to what will look good on my car, you can just let me know down in the comments below, and I will see what I can do about it. It is just that time becomes a factor for me, so I'll have to take out some time and go and get all those things done. So one of the reasons to make this video was to get your suggestions also as to what else will look good in the car. Of course, seat covers and everything is basic, but apart from that, if you have any suggestions, please feel free to comment and let me know, and I will definitely look into it and try and get those done as well. Okay, uh, thank you so much for joining me in this very short video. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Your subscription means a lot to me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe, Turbo Revers. Bye bye.